this is Maya coming to you with another video. In this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy wreath to make for your front door. Let's get started. To do this quick and easy wreath, my friends, you need a truck, of course, and these wooden trucks are all over the Dollar Tree. It's the season now, so you find them everywhere that you go. And while you do that, grab yourself some red paint to paint this baby with. Friends, paint the truck all over red. You can paint it whatever color you want to, it's up to you, but this is actually a fall project that we're doing. But I figure if I paint the truck red, I can always use it around Christmas and change the design and make it maybe a Christmas DIY. So this is why I'm using red. I love red trucks, as you guys know. Some of my videos I always talk about red truck or Christmas, so I decided to use this at fall. So I painted all over. It didn't take me much time to paint. Don't know if you guys feel the same way, but there's something therapeutic about painting. It just makes me feel good. It's just a relaxing thing to do. I went over it with a few coats of paint, my friends, until I was satisfied with it, and it looks good. I really like how it looks so far. An idea in mind, my friends, to have pumpkins hanging out at the back of my red truck, but I couldn't find any single pumpkins at the Dollar Tree, so I had to pick up this pumpkin craft thingy, and I just went over it with some orange paint. I also decided to do both sides, my friends, because I wasn't sure which side would be best suited to hang out in the truck. So I just did both sides until I was pleased. After I finished painting, my friends, I let it dry. The recommendation is 4 hours, but I left it overnight to dry. And then I went over it with some Mod Podge and let the Mod Podge completely dry before I went on to the next step. I also picked up some flowers from the Dollar Tree, my friends, some chrysanthemums, try and say that fast, and just cut off a couple of stems. I didn't need more than 2 stems at the time, and I just cut off the stems using an X-Acto knife. I don't have a proper cutter for this, but the X-Acto knife works just as well. And then I just got my handy dandy glue and glue that to the back of the truck. Make sure you put enough glue on the back of the truck, my friends, to keep it in place, and you might need a reinforcer to kind of hold it in place as well. I also did the same thing to the pumpkin, glue it and make sure I hold it in place for a while until it dries, and then yeah, that was done. So here it is, my friends, all nice and done. You can still see that the Mod Podge is not completely dry, but that's okay. It will dry on its own and dry clear. I think it's a great addition to my front door. I love it, and this is my fall wreath. Thank you for watching, my friends, and remember, regardless of where you begin, you can end with something better.